Hi there. Hi, Navy. That's Buddy. And that's Bo. And they're 10 and 11 weeks old, and they're available. AKC, 2 different parents. I mean, they have the same father, 2 different mothers. And the one on the left there is going to be smaller. He's going to be about 8 pounds. And the other one, the smooth, is going to be about 10 pounds. Anyway, they're AKC, available for sale. They get a copy of Dachshunds for Dummies with them. And you get a collar of your choice. And they're on Nutramax dog food. And what else? Did I say squeaky toy? And they're very healthy. They went to the vet yesterday. And they're $310. And they're available now. Ready to go. So come and pick your puppy. Oh, you don't like the cage? It's a new cage, and they're not used to being locked up. They use the doggy door. They have a huge pen, and then I let them go in and out the doggy door, so they're halfway potty trained. Working on it, and they're doing very good, actually. Oh, guys, I know, it's a dog's life, isn't it?